Hi lovely people, Jamie Oliver here, hope you're well. Listen, I want a favour. I've basically been working on a project in the United States last year and this year, and I really need your help. I need you to sign a petition. I've been working in America last year and this year in a beautiful town called Huntington, West Virginia. West Virginia is one of the most unhealthy states in America, and as I'm sure you know, there's some massive health issues in the States. Heart disease and diabetes is by far the biggest killer of people in America, in England, and many other countries around the world. It knocks everything else you can think of out of the water. It's getting worse, and I really believe that if change can start in America, it will not only save and help America, it will help and save other countries, including my own. So if you believe in what I'm doing, and you feel passionately about it, and if you've got any friends or family that also feels passionately about it, please sign the petition. The more the merrier. I really believe in this cause, and ultimately it's about the way we treat ourselves and most importantly our kids. So take care, lots of love, and please sign the petition. Cheers.